Hello, boss. I'm Davis. Today, I bring you a small-sized edge polisher, edge polishing machine with a rocking structure.
Its main function is to polish a quarter of it.
This quarter circle edge and open anti-slip grooves and 45-degree polishing, and also, in addition, it can also be cut at 45 degrees. Well, this function is very powerful. In addition, it can process stone materials with very good effect. And the effect is very good. Let's take a look at its specific process. So this model, this edge polishing machine, this conveyor belt, we use a variable frequency structure. You can see that here is a variable frequency structure. So the speed of the frequency conversion can be achieved by this knob. Secondly, its pressure roller adopts a pneumatic lifting and lowering structure. Let me show you this. And the structure of its gear teeth is an electric whip, which is also very convenient. Let me show you how to use it. This one adjusts the speed. It is an electric access structure, which is very convenient. Okay. The most important thing about this machine, we have installed automatic sensing, a polishing function. It's on the, when our sheet when it reaches directly above the die, it can automatically perform a polishing process. So this function is very convenient and practical, saving a lot of trouble in operation. Okay, this video ends. If you're interested, welcome. Private message me. I'm Davis. I'm waiting for you at the factory. See.